Hey, Texas TSA, this is Emily Gresham, and I'm the new event coordinator for the VRC Robotics competition at this year's state conference. And there are a lot of exciting changes that are occurring. This year we will be running a tournament-based style competition. And as part of some of these changes, we are now requiring everybody to have a TSA VRC team number. Now, the good news is this team number does not require you to pay any money. The bad news is you have to go through and do one more step to generate the number. So when you have your team, first off, make sure everybody on your team is a valid member of TSA, because they have to be a member of TSA to be able to compete at a TSA conference. And then you go to robotevents.com, and hopefully you're familiar with this website. And over here where it has the stuff, if you've never been here before, it'll have you create an account right here. But I've been here before and I've already logged in, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on my account. Once you get in here, it'll take a few minutes to load. There we go. What I'm going to do is register a team. So I'm going to go right up here to where it says register a team and click on that. Alright, now if you've done this once before and you're just trying to figure out how to get your same team number, you go right here to where it says select an existing team, and you can drop it down there, and you are going to be doing VRC teams, and there's our team number there for the ones I've already created. If this is your first time through the process, you're going to be registering a new team and another program. We're doing the TSA. If you're doing VEX IQ, that means you are in junior high, middle school, and your robot is made with the IQ parts, which look a little bit like Legos. They're made from plastic. It's a smaller robot. I can't remember the exact dimensions, but it's easily carryable by a junior high kid, and it's made from plastic. If you're in middle school and your robot's made out of metal, chances are you are actually doing the VRC competition, and you would need to click on that right here. If you're in high school, hopefully your robot's made out of metal and you are doing the VRC competition. So I'm going to go ahead and register an IQ team. So I'm going to click right there and hit next. And then I have to put in my organization's information, but my IQ team is actually for the junior high. So let me go ahead and get all that filled in. Okay, and once you get all the information in, you hit next. It takes you over to this team right here, and it assigns a team number for you and a team letter, and you tell them how many boys are on your team and how many girls are on your team. And this is my middle school chapter, so I'm going to select middle school, and they have competed before. The emergency contact phone number is important because this is the number that we will be using during the actual event to try and get a hold of you if there is a problem. So please make sure you put a valid phone number there that is useful. And then our junior high actually does the Vex Robotics competition, so I'm going to check that. I hit next. Next, under contacts, I'm going to fill in this information for the contacts and the financial person financially responsible. Once you've done that, you hit next, and then you go over here and you put in a team name. I get really creative and I just do the name of the school. I don't know what they're calling their names, robots. I'm just going to call it Bob for right now. We can always go back in later and change that information just in case the kids don't want their robot named Bob. And then I hit finish, which is just right off the screen where you can't see it. And now I have my TSA VEX IQ team right here, and I'm ready to go and add my team to the wait list for the state conference.